Hi guys, I'm Lila from Root Trip Adventures, and today I just had a package come in with some slime mix-ins, and I haven't opened the box yet, so I wanted to do an unboxing video, and make sure to stay tuned to some other videos that I will be posting hopefully soon for me using the slime mix-ins. So let's get started. Wow. So the first things you can see is it has some little foam balls, so you can make crunch slime or crunchy slime, and then there's some rainbow ones and some red ones. Okay, I'll set those over to the side. Then the next thing in here is there's also some rainbow. There's some more rainbow ones, except these are bigger. Some bigger balls, so that's pretty cool. I'll just set that over to the side. And the next thing in here, it looks like there's some little unicorn charms for putting in your slime. And I'm going to open that and then lay them all out in a minute, so I'll just set that to the side. Ooh, it looks like there's a lot of fishbowl beads. We have some blue, some pink, some white, and some rainbow. Those are really cool. So I'll set those over to the side. Okay, the next thing is we have some mermaid tail charms. I'm going to set those over with the unicorn ones so I can show those to you later. Okay, the next thing is there's some green foam balls. These are the small ones, not the big ones. These are the big ones. So the small ones. It's a really cool green color. I like that color. Okay, now the next thing is we have some little confetti type things. It's not confetti. It's not like little glitter, you know, like fine glitter. It looks like it's all in heart shapes. So, yeah. Ooh, I like the back. I think I might put that in my scrapbook once I'm done. Ooh, I really like that. So that's really cool. So I'm going to set that to the side. And then the last things in here are some more glitter in little containers. I really like those little jar things. They're really cute. Okay. I'm going to move my box aside. And I'm going to show all of the little charms. So we've got our mermaid ones. And our unicorn ones. Okay, so the first ones, we have this. We have our little mermaid tail ones. Some of them are like more pastel colors, and then other ones are like more glittery colors. So we have all of these here. See, there's like some little pastel ones, and then more glittery ones. So you can put those in your slime. So we've got a lot of good mermaid tails. I really like these. They're like really cool. Okay, I've got all my little mermaid tails laid out. Then I have my unicorn ones. It looks like there's some unicorn ice cream, which is really cute. And there's some unicorns, and then other unicorns. And then, I mean, they're all unicorns, but you know, they have different colors. Ooh, I like this one. That one's really cute. So those are all really cute. Ooh, I like that one. That one's really cool. So I'm just going to lay all these out. This would be like, these are really cool for like different types of slime. You could do mermaid slime, or you could do unicorn slime. I really like all the little unicorn ones. They're really cute. But I also like the mermaid ones. Those are really neat. So I like both of those definitely. So I'm just going to scoot these to the side and show my other things. So there's the glitter, and I think I'm going to go ahead and open this little pack here. So it's really cool. It's actually this really nice little container for it. It's like made of plastic, but then it's like fuzzy too. Like, it's not like soft, like you wouldn't want to use it as a pillow or something, but like it's kind of fuzzy. I like that. And then it has the cute little jar things. I think they're like little jars, and they have a little holes, so it's almost like you could like make a keychain out of them. I don't know, they're really cute. They're like little, they have different types in there. They have some fine glitter, and then they have like some in different shapes and different colors, so I think that's really cool. I actually have 2 of those packs. I have another one right here, but it's basically the same thing, just different. It actually is, it's the exact same thing, but there's 2 of them, so I like that, so they won't run out as fast, because they are little containers, but they are definitely cool. Okay, then we also have the really cool pack right here with the really cool back of the pack. I think the like back is like super amazing. Let's see if I can open this pack. I can't open it. Ah. Okay, for reasons we're not going to be able to open that. Oh wait, maybe I'm going to. Nope, for reasons we're not going to be able to open that. But these, they're like little, like circular, like containers, and it has like different little flakes of glitter. There's like gold and silver, and then this like all different colors, so I think that's really cool, and the back is just so cool. Okay, the next thing is we have all of our foam balls that we already have shown. I think the foam balls are really cool because it makes crunchy slime or crunch slime, whichever you want to call it. So I think those are really cool. I actually have a good example of some crunchy slime here. See, crunchy slime is really cool because it like, I don't know, it's just like a unique texture. And it's just really interesting. And the more foam balls you add, the more crunchy your slime will be. So I think that's really cool. I haven't used any big foam balls, like these rainbow ones, but I'm excited to try those out. So let's move our foam balls over to the side. Okay, next we have, or last, we have these fishbowl beads. Fishbowl beads are really cool because it gives you a unique texture to your slime, and it just is very interesting. Like, it's not like crunchy slime. It's just a very unique type of slime. I also have an example of that here. Let me just pull it out. Alright, so crunchy slime is more like more of a, it's more crunchy. Crunch slime is more crunchy. But then if you put the fishbowl beads in, the more you add, it's just a really neat texture. So I think I really like fishbowl beads, so I'm excited to use those. Okay, so everything we have here is really cool. We have all of our fishbowl beads, foam balls, which I'm really excited about, our glitter, and some more glitter, and all of our charms. I think that it's a really cool set. You can order it off of Amazon is where we got it, and make sure to stay tuned to hopefully I'll post some more videos of me using some of these mix-ins. So thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.